In this video, I'm talking about Cancers and what do they prefer when it comes to sexual relations. That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before we waste any more time, because we have a lot of shit to go through. When matched, my voice just cracked like I'm going through puberty. When matched with Aries aren't very gentle, but if things aren't forced and there are understanding between these two sexual characteristics, then that's when things start to get really heated up. I mean, really sensual and fun. With Tauruses love to use their senses when it comes to sex. Physical touch being the primary one. Cancer's need for closure and the urge to be sexual free. Taurus have that ability to unlock it. When paired with Geminis love to have the wild sex outside. The problem is they hate to do things over and over and over again. Patience and communication is the main two components if you want to make this work. Otherwise, flop. When paired with another Cancer, two Cancers in a relationship. Sounds perfect, right? The problem is they need someone to shake their ass up and waken their sexual slumber. Yes, they know what they like, but there are more experiences and adventures out there that are just waiting to be explored. You gotta shake their ass up, like literally just grab. When paired with Leos can scare Cancers away by being highly emotional in their own way. If wild sex isn't a mandatory thing on your to-do list, then it can work out. Otherwise, communication is the key thing if you want to make this work. When paired with Virgo, this is the most powerfulest pair you can have when it comes to very sensual, emotional, powerful, did I say powerful? Powerful sex life. When Virgo lets their guard down and have the ability to express their love, pow! Magical. You're gonna be like, oh my god. When paired with Libras are very careful, but if you take their time and you can understand what the Cancer needs are, then it could work out. It's just meh. When paired with Scorpios. Now, if Cancers don't get scared of Scorpios' dark, twisted fantasies, then it can be a very intense experience, sex life experience. However, just be warned, if Scorpios is being too overly aggressive, they're going to run away, in other words. When paired with Sagittarius, this is not the most ideal pair, but if trust is the foundation, then it can work out. Really and truly, the only way this is going to work out is if Cancer kind of let go of their preconceptions of their partner and just allow themselves to just be free. Don't be so freaking uptight. When paired with Capricorn. Now, you know when they say opposites attract? This pair has a very strong emotion and attraction that's built for them. The intimacy that Cancer has is what Capricorn lacks. And Capricorn has the patience for Cancer's needs. So it's a win-win. When paired with Aquarius, hey, you wanna have a floppy, whack-ass sex life? This is the pair for you. When dealing with Pisces, this pair can make romantic love with each other. Pisces could be very kinky, but they have the tendency to just take their time and enter Cancer's life with that kinkiness, and then bada bing bada boom, out of nowhere you're like, oh my god. As I said, patience is key. When paired with Libra, they don't need so much time to have a healthy sex. Cancer's confidence, Libra sexuality, perfect. Hot. Let me do it again. If you enjoy these type of fire shot facts that's just splattered all over your face, then definitely check out the other stuff that I have dealing with horoscopes. Playlist is in the description. Make sure you check it out. Have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Matanet.